Hey shoppers, today we have a hair dryer we got from Amazon. Nice handheld size. This is how you operate it. You just simply slide this to turn it on, low and high mode. And then this gives you cool mode, so you can press this if you want cold air to blow out. It comes with 3 different attachments. These are great for when your hair is wet for styling. And then this one is great if you have curly hair. It helps keep the shape of your hair. It does have an instruction manual on how to operate it and how to care for your machine. Nice long cord, and it also comes with a Velcro strap, so that way when you store your blow dryer, you have a way to keep the strap nice and tight. You simply plug it in and go. On the control panel, you can see off, cool mode, low, and high. The way that you put the attachments on is super easy. You just stick it in and slide it.